Hey, what's up, everybody? Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditorrepairshop.com. Let's run through some quick questions and answers. This is a person that said that they're new to the channel. They have a judgment that's maybe 7 to 8 years old in New Jersey. Didn't go to court, so it was a default judgment. And they were thinking if they could just go uh, with the court because I was paying as agreed. I don't understand why they went to court because I was paying as agreed. I'm not sure about that one because they wouldn't be able to take you to court if you wasn't paying as agreed. But you never know with a debt collector. Do you think I can settle in full for the original amount owed? The judgment is about 10K, but I actually owe well they owe $3,500 and they want to buy a house. Yes, I think you should contact them if they're not getting any money from you right now. You should contact them, let them know the original amount was 3,500. If they bought the debt from the original creditor, they probably paid about $200 or $100 for that debt. So yes, you want to contact them. Uh, there, there's no reason to do a debt validation because you've already lost in court and it's been 7 to 8 years. In most jurisdictions, they're not going to allow you to bring it back up. They're going to say that it's past your time to bring it back up in court. So, yes, you need to do a settlement. Hopefully, you're not working with a company that's just going to try to take full advantage. Don't play your hands on, hey, I'm trying to buy a house, because then it's going to make them even want to try to get more from you. So what you should do is you should just approach them maybe with a simple letter stating that this was a debt. You were going through financial hardship at that time. You don't have a lot of money even now, but you'd like to try to come to some resolution to pay the debt. And you say, remind them that it was originally 3,500 bucks. That maybe you can all meet in the middle for 1,200. You started 1,200. Hopefully they'll try to come and if they try to counter, maybe they go to 1,750 or 1,700, somewhere in that range. That's where I've seen it work. Only thing that could throw a wrench into this is if your state allows for the excessive fees that were attached to that. That might be something where you could potentially file a complaint to your state consumer division or attorney general's office, whoever handles debt collections, and to show that you believe that that's excessive to have a 10,000 when it was originally 3,500. Now let me get into what could potentially allow them to get away with the 10,000 if this is a student loan. You didn't state on here if it was a student loan. If it's a student loan and it was taken over by the federal government, it's going to be very tough to get out of the 10K because this is how they are actually making up for people that never pay them, is by making everybody else pay the excessive amounts of interest on those. They're not doing any type of settlements on those. So uh, hopefully that gave you your answer on that. And for other individuals that have a similar question about should you pay a judgment and how you can go about settling that judgment. If you need help with your credit, you can visit our website, creditorrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, because everything starts there, please visit the website, the number 3scores.com. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditorrepairshop.com. Thank you.